The ultra-portable consumer drone market is about to undergo a seismic transformation, and if you think you have seen the absolute limit of what a palm-sized flying machine can do, prepare to completely throw away your expectations. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tearing into the most closely guarded, highly explosive, and game-changing leaks surrounding the upcoming DJI Neo 3. For years, content creators, solo travelers, vloggers, and casual flyers have faced a frustrating dilemma. Do you buy a massive, expensive cinema drone that requires heavy gear bags and endless regulatory paperwork, or do you settle for a lightweight toy drone that sacrifices video stability, range, and color depth when things get tough? Well, according to the absolute latest supply chain intelligence, manufacturing blueprints, and factory leak logs pouring out of DJI's inner circle, DJI is about to obliterate that compromise entirely. We are looking at a pocket-sized aircraft engineered to utterly dominate skies across the United States and redefine what an entry-level creator drone can achieve. If your content relies on breathtaking cinematic footage, bulletproof transmission reliability, and true professional control straight from the palm of your hand, stay completely locked to your screen because every single detail we are about to unpack changes your upcoming production gear bag forever. To truly grasp why these leaks are sending massive shockwaves through the tech world, we have to look back at how radically the ultra-compact drone category has evolved. When DJI first introduced the original concept of a featherlight, palm-launchable flying camera, it blew open the doors for creators who wanted effortless, spontaneous aerial shots without fussing over heavy controllers. But limitations were everywhere. Users wanted better low-light performance, deeper color profiles for professional grading, and a transmission link that wouldn't stutter the second you stepped behind a concrete wall or walked into a busy urban environment. Competitors tried to catch up, but the internet largely assumed that keeping a drone under an ultra-light weight class meant sacrificing high-end cinematic features. That assumption couldn't have been further from the truth. Internal supply chain leaks and factory manufacturing logs confirm that DJI's aerospace and optics engineers have spent the last year completely re-architecting their next-generation microplatform from the silicon up, shattering performance ceilings that industry experts claimed were mathematically impossible. Let us dive straight into the crown jewel of these leaks, the dramatic evolution of the camera and sensor architecture. Rumors pointing toward a newly developed, highly optimized sensor footprint packed beneath the strict ultralight regulatory ceiling are sending shockwaves through the industry. Think about what an upgraded sensor means for a palm-sized drone. Traditional small-format cameras struggle immensely the moment ambient light drops, introducing ugly digital noise and muddy shadow details. The leaks indicate that the DJI Neo 3 is leaping forward by introducing advanced 10-bit D-Log-M color profile support to the entry-level lineup. Let that sink in for a moment. 10-bit color depth on a pocket-sized drone. This means you are no longer locked into flat, clipped, smartphone-style video files. Instead, you get massive dynamic range, smooth color gradients, and the absolute freedom to color grade your aerial footage in post-production to match your main professional cinema cameras. Whether you are cutting travel vlogs for YouTube or grading cinematic documentary sequences, the color science leap changes the game entirely. Coupled with this monumental color upgrade is a massive leap in video resolution and stabilization performance. Leaks point toward ultra-stabilized 4K recording capabilities paired with next-generation electronic image stabilization and horizon balancing algorithms. Even when the drone is launched directly from the palm of your hand in windy outdoor conditions or flying tight maneuvers around moving subjects, the footage remains locked, buttery smooth, and completely horizontal. Gone are the days of shaky, unusable vertical clips. The Neo 3 is engineered to deliver broadcast-ready stability that looks like it was shot on a motorized multi-axis gimbal rig. Driving this massive jump in imaging and processing capability requires heavy-hitting wireless SS architecture, and this is where the leaks get genuinely unbelievable. Insiders indicate that the upcoming aircraft is slated to feature an upgraded O4 Plus transmission system, bringing enterprise-grade connectivity down to an ultra-portable consumer price point. What does O4 Plus transmission mean for your day-to-day flying experience? It means rock-solid, ultra-low latency video feeds beamed straight to your phone or controller, even when flying through dense urban environments, heavy tree canopies, or areas plagued by severe wireless signal interference. With an extended operating range that shatters previous generation limits, you can push your creative boundaries, track subjects across wide-open spaces, and maintain a pristine, dropout-resistant connection with absolute peace of mind. Safety, intelligence, and autonomous tracking are also receiving an astronomical upgrade according to early factory logs. While previous models relied heavily on basic cloud or GPS tracking, the Neo 3 is heavily rumored to introduce advanced tridirectional obstacle sensing and enhanced AI subject tracking algorithms. Imagine launching the drone from your palm, stepping back, and letting the aircraft intelligently navigate complex environments while tracking your movement with uncanny precision. Whether you are hiking through a dense forest trail, skateboarding down a city street, or capturing a dynamic low-angle tracking shot, the drone's upgraded spatial awareness maps surroundings in real time, smoothly routing around branches or obstacles without stuttering or losing lock. Power management and flight endurance have always been the ultimate tightrope walk for ultra-lightweight engineering. Every single gram added to the frame eats into battery efficiency. However, the most talked about rumor circulating across supply chain forums points toward a game-changing battery breakthrough, with leaks teasing jaw-dropping claims of up to a 45-minute extended battery life. Let that sink in. 45 minutes of flight time from a palm-sized drone completely redefines what you can accomplish on a single charge. Say goodbye to constant battery anxiety, frantic mid-shoot swaps, and rushing your creative composition. You get massive amounts of airtime to experiment with multiple quick shots, compose complex aerial trajectories, and capture the exact golden hour lighting you need without constantly landing to swap power cells. The physical design philosophy continues to prioritize extreme portability, maintaining a featherlight, pocket-friendly chassis complete with integrated or easily attachable propeller guards that make indoor and close proximity flying completely safe. You can toss the drone into a backpack pouch, a jacket pocket, or a camera bag without needing a dedicated hard case, making it the ultimate grab-and-go storytelling tool for creators who travel light. Furthermore, seamless integration with voice commands, smartphone app controls, dedicated motion controllers, and immersive FPV goggles ensures that whether you are a complete beginner looking for effortless selfies or an FPV enthusiast wanting agile indoor cinematic movement, the Neo 3 adapts instantly to your workflow.